Not every day $1 million shows up on the doorstep, so I figured I would do a little unboxing video. Let's see what we've got. Looks like some papers. Oh, that gives you an idea. Does this seem important? What's important in here? Interesting packing. Let's see. What are you? Oh, that could be something good. Should we look? Oh, some straps. Extra straps are always good to have. Cool. Let's see, maybe this is important. Let's get this out of here. Oh, these are these little gloves and I think a loop or something that come with Greubel Forseys. All right, let's get the cardboard out. That'll give us some room to work. Now what do we have? This looks like something good. It's pretty heavy. Oh, that's just a loop. Big loop that comes with one of these things. Pretty cool, but not $1 million. So that leaves us with this. Let's see what's in here. Let's see. Oh, buckles. What do we got? Double Tourbillon Technique, white gold, Greubel Forsey, looking sharp. That's a $500 mil, but wait, there's more. Boom. Double Tourbillon Historique, Greubel Forsey rose gold, sick. Not a bad delivery this morning. What do you think?